Today I'm creating a professional Wix website for my good friend and personal trainer, Dara Hart. Just go to Wix.com. A video background gives a really cool first impression. Bold statement? Check. And a killer title to back it up. Amazing. This looks so good already. I'm gonna add some tools to help Dara manage her business online, like this booking system, where clients can book appointments on her site 24/7. Oh, she better thank me for this. With Wix Chat, Dara can answer questions anytime, not to mention get potential new clients. Dara's always running some kind of special event. Anyone can reserve a spot, but they tend to run out pretty quickly. Rule number 1, let people find your business online. Wix SEO Wiz helps you grab those top search results. It looks amazing. I can't wait for Dara to see this. Go to Wix.com. Create your stunning website today.